Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is coming so close to Valentine's Day, so I thought I would create a Valentine's Day look for you. As you can tell, this is a very pink Valentine's Day look. This is the look I had more in mind for just like a fun party, girls' night out type look. I will be doing another Valentine's look next week, which will be more like date night appropriate. Or if your man likes pink, wear this look. Who cares? Do what you want, but I wanted to give you a really fun option as well as a more sultry, sexy date night option. So this is look number 1 for Valentine's Day. If you want to see how I created this look, just keep watching. I'm starting with my eyes already prepped with my MAC paint pot and set with a powder. I'm going to go in with this light pink from the Morphe 35S, and that's going to be my transition shade for this look. So I'm going to start sticking that up into the crease, and this is going to be my highest shade so it can go up above the crease. This is just a nice light color to blend the more intense pinks into this color, so we don't have to build it up too much. Next, I'm going to take a very, very bright pink. I'm going to take Star Power from the Jeffree Star Beauty Killer palette. Still using the same brush, and I'm just going to build up that pink color a little bit more, keeping this on the outer corner, but also bringing it into the crease a little bit. And that's just going to intensify that pink that we have going on. And I haven't used the Jeffree Star palette in forever. I forgot this color was in there. I was just searching through my palettes trying to find whatever pinks I could find. I don't have a ton of pink shadow, but buying these new Juvia's Place palettes, they both have really pretty pink colors in them, and I wanted to use them for this look. So I went searching, and sure enough, Jeffree Star has a beautiful pink. Go figure. Everything he has is pink. Now switching to a smaller blending brush, I'm going to dip into Juvia's Place Zulu palette, and I'm going to use this gorgeous pink on the bottom here. And this we're going to keep pretty much just in that outer corner. Just really building up the intensity on the outer corner. Actually, I'm going to bring it into the inner corner as well. A little more color in there. And I'm going to go back in with my original blending brush, no extra product on there, and just blend out the edges a bit more. To intensify that outer corner even more, I'm going to go into the Magic palette, and I'm going to use this red shade, which is Koji. And that's just going to really intensify that color. I'm just keeping this on the outer corner. I'm not bringing it too high into the crease, I'm just kind of keeping it in the outer V shape. Now comes the tricky part. Which color do I want on my lid? I think I'm gonna go with the lightest one. So for the lid, I'm gonna go back into the Magic palette. I'm gonna use this gorgeous shimmery pink color, which is Osun. And I'm just gonna go in with my finger and start tapping that onto my lid. Bringing it into that inner corner. And then as I get out to that outer corner, just kind of dabbing it on. Try to blend it in a little bit. That's so pretty. I am still loving this Juvia's Place palette. I did such a fun look yesterday, well last night, and I used the reds and the navies in this palette. It was beautiful. You should check it out on my Instagram. Going back to my blending brush, I'm gonna pick up the pink from the Zulu palette, that one right there. I'm gonna use that to blend the edges a little bit more and even into the crease a little bit. So when I'm blending, I'm putting my brush on the outer corner and bringing it in, so I'm not dragging the metallic out into that outer corner more. How quick and easy was that? We're done with the upper eyelid. Time to move on to the face, and then we'll come back to the eyes. There is some fallout from that pink shimmer on the lid, so I'm gonna wipe that away before I work on my face. To prep my face, I'm gonna use the Dr. Brandt Luminizer Primer. With this primer, I like to tap it onto my face first before I start spraying around, because I would just stick it on and spread it around. It doesn't go very far, so I have to kind of place it where I want it first and then start smoothing it around. For foundation, I'm going to use the NYX Total Control Drops. I keep forgetting that I have this, and I just remembered yesterday, so I wore it yesterday, and I forgot how much I love this foundation. Better than the Tarte Shape Tape foundation. Have you guys seen that video yet? I did end up returning it. That's how much I didn't like it. So I'm going to drip a couple drops of this onto my face. And then I'm going to use my crown brush to blend that in. For concealer, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me. I'm just going to do a little bit of spot concealing first because I didn't build up the foundation a ton, so it didn't cover everything that I wanted to cover, but I didn't want a huge cakey mess on my face either. So I'm just going to quickly blend out some of that. Now I'm going to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape to highlight under my eyes, down my nose. You know the drill. Like so. Then I'm going to set it all with my Rimmel Stay Matte powder. And I'm going to be using this flat-topped brush to kind of press the powder into my skin. I used to use this brush all the time for my powder to really press it into the skin, and then I kind of forgot about it. I like doing it this way because then I know the powder is really setting everything into place. It's just pushing it right into the skin, and my foundation's not going to go anywhere. For contour, I'm going to break into an oldie but a goodie. This is my e.l.f. Contouring Blush and Bronzing Powder Duo in Fiji. I used to use this all the time, and I haven't used it in a while, so I'm going to use that to bronze up my face. I'm just finding all kinds of old goodies today that I used to love and haven't used in a while. I think I'm actually going to use this blush that's in here as well. Do a little blush action today. I feel like this look calls for blush. Actually, I have a better one. I'm gonna go into my Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm gonna mix Rosé Spritz and Pamplemousse. There, that actually looks kind of nice. I don't always love blush with my looks, but sometimes you just need blush. I have the new Master Chrome Molten Rose Gold. This beautiful pink highlight is amazing. Maybelline is killing the highlight game with this and their gold one. Between their rose gold, their gold, and they also came out with a holographic one. They are all beautiful. And they're drugstore, so they're not gonna cost you an arm and a leg. I forgot to contour my nose. Time to go back to the eyes. So I'm starting off again with the Morphe 35S in this light pink color. Same transition shade we used on the top. I'm gonna start bringing that under the eye. And this color I'll bring all the way to the inner corner. And then I'm gonna skip the Jeffree Star pink and I'm going to go straight into the Zulu palette and use that pink just in the outer corner. And that'll help deepen it up and connect it to that outer corner on the top. Then I'm gonna use the same highlight I used on my face and put it on that inner corner. And then just a small amount of that under the brow bone. Look how pretty this look is. Like, so pink, so beautiful, so Valentine's. And don't worry, if this is too much pink for you, I have another look coming that's not this intense. I'm gonna use the Tarte Tarteist lash paint on my eyeballs. Forgot a step. Okay, I'm gonna do my top lash and then I'm gonna do my waterline. In the lower waterline, I'm gonna use this Makeup Geek Full Spectrum eyeliner in the shade Plumeria. Now I can do my bottom lashes. I'm gonna not do any false lashes today. Shocker. I feel like I've been using eyelashes in all of my tutorials lately, so we're taking a break today. Plus I want this to look really cute and fun and girly without being too dramatic. Let's get rid of that mascara we got going on there. That's not cute. To finish off the look, we need some lipstick, and I happen to have a very bold Kat Von D lipstick to top it off with. This is the shade Sexer to complete this sweet, innocent look. This shade is beautiful. I got this lipstick at Marshall's for $8. And it is so pretty. So there you have it, a fun, simple look for Valentine's Day. This is great for girls' night out, party, whatever. This might be a little over the top if you're going for a date with your boyfriend, unless he really likes pink, but it's still a super fun look. Man, I would rock this even not on Valentine's Day. In fact, I'm leaving the house right now, so I think it turned out well. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please hit that button on the way out, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.